ladies, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, we are back with another Luvme Hair wig install. Luvme Hair produces game changer on effortless wig installations. All of their wigs come ready to go with uncompromising quality, and of course they are at a really good price. One thing that Luvme Hair specializes in is actually creating these ready to go wigs that you can just take right out the box, throw on your head, and leave right on out the door. So the wig that I'm wearing today is actually one of their two type curly wigs. This is a coily curly wig, which means it basically has two different types of curl patterns. This is a lace closure wig, and of course she is 100% glueless. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump on into the tutorial. As always, I'm going to give you guys a quick unboxing before we jump into the wig install in itself. Now this wig is from Luvme Hair, as I mentioned before, and this is the 16-inch coily curly wig. It has coils and it also has the regular average curls. So take a look at those two different type of curl patterns that you guys see here. It's really pretty, really bouncy, really springy. And as far as the lace in itself, you guys know that they give you a really nice head start when it comes to the lace. And this is an airy wig cap, that way your scalp can breathe while you're wearing the wig. So let's go ahead and jump on into the wig install. I'm going to give you guys a nice close-up of the curls once more. The coils are the ones that kind of look like spirals, and then you just have your regular average curls. So those are the two different type of curl patterns that is in this wig, okay? Next, I'm going to give you guys a close-up of the lace. As you can see, you can switch up the parting style if you choose to, and you have a nice airy wig cap. That way your scalp can breathe. You also have combs and the adjustable elastic band for a nice glueless wig install. And no, I did not do anything to the lace. You guys know Luvme Hair specializes in ready to go wigs, so I'm gonna go ahead and install this wig straight out the box. So I went ahead and added some makeup on that lace, adjusted the adjustable strap, and then I just went ahead and threw the wig on. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut off all that additional lace that I no longer need. After I do that, I did realize that the lace was laying pretty flat except on the sides, which is normal for a lace closure. So I'm just going to add a little bit of spray just to help hold those in place. That way it's not lifting and it's not too noticeable. Either way, the hair was going to cover it, but I just went ahead and added some spray just in case. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some foundation right at the edges of that lace just to make sure that the lace is blended in with my natural skin color as much as possible. And I will be adding a lighter foundation right in the middle part area to help mimic my scalp. So technically the wig install is done right now. I took the clips down because I really wanted to take a closer look at this hair. I loved the two different curl patterns that was in this wig, but what I didn't love was the shaping of it. So that's why you guys kind of see me messing with it a little bit, seeing exactly what I wanted to do, because you guys know I normally do like to minimalize the styling portion as much as I can, especially when it comes to Luvme Hair wigs, because they send it to you ready to go. But I'm not too big of a fan of short wigs on me. I know you guys love shorter wigs on me, but short wigs on me, I just feel like it makes my face look even more puffier because my face is already round. So if I am wearing a short wig, it's really important that the shape of it looks really good. Now, being that this is a curly wig, we can shape it however we choose to. So you guys will kind of see me just adding water, stretching out the curls, stretching out those coils. That way it doesn't look too defined and too wiggish, being that it's fresh out of the box. And then I'm also going to cut some layers into it as well, because I need this wig to frame my face as best as it can. So I just kept messing with it until I was fully satisfied. Hopefully you guys are already seeing the difference, but I'm gonna keep going after this. I just wanted to let you guys know that I did reset the curls with some gel, and those curls were just popping right on through. It was so pretty even after it dried. So again, just do what works for you. Keep going until you're fully satisfied with the overall look, because that's what I did. I just kept stretching out some of the curls, cutting wherever I needed to cut, etc., because it was really important that this wig frame my face very well in order for me to feel confident. So I just kept going until I was fully satisfied. Alright, so I had to blow dry the hair off camera because I have no room in my setup to plug in a blow dryer, so I'm sorry you guys, I had to do that off camera. But this is what the hair looks like when it is dry. I cut off a few more pieces if I needed to, and then I just used my pick to pick the hair out just to make it look even fuller, and that way it wasn't just looking too flat in certain areas. Alright, so at this point I was pretty much done with the styling portion, you guys. Comment down below and let me know what you think. I think it's looking a whole lot better than it looked when I first started. Again, you guys know I'm a little shy when it comes to the short wigs because of how my face naturally is. My face is already puffy, I got chubby cheeks, so if I'm gonna wear a short wig, I have to frame it around my face the best way I can. But overall, I think she came out really cute, and you could even do some short curly hairstyles with this wig as well. Okay, you guys, we are officially done with the tutorial. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about the wig overall. The two different type curl patterns in this wig was definitely beautiful. I love the coils, I love the curls. I just wish I had this wig a little bit longer. That way when I cut the layers, it really popped. But overall, I think that she is really cute. Make sure you guys go ahead and you check out my description box down below. Everything will be listed there for you. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.